Hearing static or crackling in one AirPod is a frustrating problem many AirPods Pro users run into, especially when noise cancellation or transparency mode is enabled. The good news is that this issue is usually software or connection related and can often be fixed right at home. In this video, I'll guide you through simple, safe steps to eliminate the noise and restore clear, balanced sound. No complicated fixes or risky repairs needed. Let's start with the basics, because low battery levels or an unstable connection are some of the most common causes of static. Make sure both AirPods Pro and the charging case have enough charge. Place both earbuds back into the case for a few seconds. Then check on your iPhone to confirm they're fully connected. If one ear doesn't show up or the connection looks unstable, put the AirPods back in the case again and reconnect them to refresh the link. Next, it's important to check the firmware version, since outdated firmware can easily cause crackling or static issues. Open Settings, go to Bluetooth, tap the eye icon next to your AirPods Pro, and check the firmware number. Compare it with the latest version listed on Apple's official website. If your version is older, keep the AirPods inside the case with the lid open. Leave them connected to your iPhone and give them some time to update automatically. After this step, many users notice the static is already reduced or completely gone. Cleaning is another key step, especially because dirt or debris around the microphones can interfere with noise cancellation or transparency mode. Use a dry cotton swab or microfiber cloth to gently clean the outer microphone meshes, vents, and the bottom of the stem where the charging contacts are located. Avoid using any liquid. The charging case also needs attention, since dust inside can affect charging and connection. Remove both earbuds and carefully clean inside the case using a dry cloth or cotton swab, making sure the charging contacts are clean and unobstructed. If the crackling sound continues, resetting the AirPods Pro can help clear hidden software glitches. Press and hold the button on the back of the charging case until the LED light changes from amber to white. Once the reset is complete, remove the AirPods from the Bluetooth list on your iPhone and set them up again as a new device. Restarting your iPhone is another helpful step that often gets overlooked. Go to Settings, open General, tap Shut Down, turn the phone completely off, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on to clear temporary system issues. After restarting, pair the AirPods again from scratch. Keep them in the case. Open the lid, bring them close to your iPhone, and connect when the pairing prompt appears. Once connected, test noise cancellation or transparency mode to see if the static noise is gone. It's also important to check which AirPods Pro model you're using, since early first-generation units were known to have hardware-related static and crackling issues. You can find the hardware version in the same Bluetooth settings menu where the firmware is listed, and if it matches early models, that could explain the problem. These steps fix static noise in one AirPod for most users and restore clear sound. Like, subscribe for more tech fixes. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.